Hello. Okay, I had a little bit of a problem. Hopefully, you can view this okay. But I was adding directories. I had created users and groups. So I'm going to go and do the sudo make directory, make dir, and I'm going to do the budget. All right, so that directory has been made. I can repeat the same command and make the oops, reports. All right, I can do the same thing and make the expenses. All right, so that has been created. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change the ownership of my uh, directories. So I can do that with the sudo chon and then colon the group that I want to assign. Let's say if you remember, I created some groups. So I had the Michigan group. So I'll say for the group, I'll do the Michigan group. I'll assign it to the budget directory. Uh, all right, so that has been done. I can do the same thing for the Florida group, and that we have ownership over the expenses directory. All right, so that has been done. And then I can also set ownership to those different directories. So for instance, I'll go with sudo um, ch on. I didn't have to do that. Um, and then let's see, I'll give myself which is my username smuj, and then ownership of the budget. Did I spell it right? Of the budget directory. uh, all right, so that went okay. um, and then I can give someone ownership, John Doe, of the expenses. All right, so that has happened. The last thing that I'm going to do is do the on uh, do with permissions, and with that I'll do the sudo and then chmod 7. Oh, my numlock is not working, it's not turned on. So 770, and the first 7 is for the owner, and then the second one is for the owning group that we have those types of permissions, and then the 0 means no one else has access to that, and so for this one I'll do the but I cannot type today, the budget and forward slash. Okay, so I've just assigned those permissions to the budget. You can review what those numbers mean, but what the first set of numbers has to do with the owner, the second one, the group, and then 0 means no one has ownership of that. You can check your work by going by typing ls -ld, and then in this case the budget, since that's the one that I've just worked on. All right, so you can see there who has permissions over the budget, the Michigan group, and the person, my username is listed on there. And this is for the budget group, as you can see. All right, thank you, and hopefully you will have fun with it.